Alright, so let's take a little bit to talk about the new additions on the system. Starting with labels. All these devices have labels on them now. Literally everything. Well, not everything, just the devices. At least you can kind of see it over there, whatever. Yeah, detector's got one right there. But yeah, my room's pretty messy, so I'm gonna try and not show the ground. But I did something here in the dialer. As you can see, there's no longer another wire going to the surge protector. But if we go in here, it's a little messy, but this is my aux power wire, so I can't just plug anything into the aux power, as you know. So what I did was, and it's really messy in here, keep that in mind. Got the dialer information on here. But yeah, it's a mess, but I'll clean it up sometime. We got our phone lines, power, which is this little module right here. So my aux power goes right here, and what this is a power converter, and I set it to go to 5 volts, so I can power this. Now, it's pretty hot, this part right here. I think it's yeah, I don't know, but it's kind of hot. It's burning. Not actually burning, but it's pretty hot. Then we got the heatsink, but right now it's running at 27 volts. That's coming from the panel. If I cycle it for out voltage, we get 3.7. That's going to here, but it's not actually 3.7. This module has a hard time actually telling the truth. It's like 5 volts, I hope. Then amps and power watts. It'll cycle. So I'll just turn it off. That just turns off the LCD. Anyway, here's a little overview of what this was. This is already gonna be a long video, as I could tell. So it's been like a week right now. Anyway, where'd this come from? Let's start off the pull station near the door. Now, I don't remember if I did this one last time. I probably did. I'm gonna test everything today. Okay, so now, what was that? It's looking good in there. Okay, I'll do this pull station. And then, this key right here, smoke detectors. Alright, so, oh, we're shaky. Come on. It's right there. There it is. Man, this thing's loud. 5 minutes? Yeah, I'll reset the system now. This thing's probably on fire right now, overheating. Let's check. 40. Wow. Let me pause the video, wait till that thing does its thing. Did its thing, so now I'm gonna test the Room Suite smoke detector. It's just gonna activate the sounder base. Didn't get my control module on, unfortunately, yet. Got our supervisor. Now, I'm surprised it's not reporting. Not sure if it's supposed to report that or not. Oh yeah, it's a local zone, it won't report that. And I'll do this. That reports. So yeah, there's that, there's that. Here's that. Oh. Why is it 3? I know what that means, yeah. So now all that's normal, so I can just reset. And that is gonna report again. Alright, this thing is gonna just, okay. I can just close this up. Might have to reset the dialer if it doesn't. Okay. Alright. So now that's finished doing its thing. This is gonna take a couple, maybe an hour to upload since it's so long. But, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.